2, 1, go. Just keep doing that, just like that. Pull the lever up. Is the lever up?
Lever is on.
Okay, okay. Push the gas more. Push the gas more. Hold it just like that. Whoa. Woo. Whoa, dude. That's a cool trick. Push the pedal more. Push the pedal more. What? Are you getting dizzy? Okay, let go of the pedal. Push the handle down, and now you can drive normal.
After that, your cool is done, okay?
After your 2 apples, you're saying the tutorial is done? Let's give him a little bit more practice time, and then you can practice. Oliver, keep it straight. Keep the steering wheel straight. Do not pull the handle up and give it a lot of power. See how fast it'll go. But do not turn while you're doing that. Set, go. Stop. You just threw all the apples in your mouth.